In this video, the hyper goes too fast and crashes. Jake smashes that bell button and I nearly smashed myself in the face and break it and fix it. And Jake breaks his hyper. I've only popped off. A bit of a pre-warning on this video, guys. I messed up the audio. It was quite windy today, so I thought I'm going to use my microphone, external mic with a windsock over there. And I put this little mount up on here on top of my controller. As most of you guys know, that's how I make my RC videos. I put my cell phone in the controller and I can film an RC at the same time. But I do get a lot of comments, people saying, oh, the wind noise. So I thought, alright, I'll stick on my external mic. I'll plug that in there. Good audio. But it wasn't, guys. The trouble is, well, I think this is what was happening, was that the frequency of this transmitter was interfering with the microphone. And, oh, you'll hear it in the video. So, guys, sorry, you just got to live with it on this vid. Next vid, I'll go back to normal. I'll probably glue a windsock on here or something. Hey, what we got going on here? Hyper VS. So we got the Core RC Badland copies. And over here, genuine Badlands. And a GoPro. Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, we've got a couple of Hyper VS's, we've got my one here with proper Badlands, and we've got Jake's one with the Core RC kind of Badland copies.
They don't look too bad though.
They don't look too bad. And I've got a GoPro, so we've got some onboard footage. Let's go. Oops, shit, GoPro's off.
Whoops.
Oh, GoPro down. Uh-oh. In the dirt. Hyper VS in the house. Another Hyper VS over here. Oh! Oh, them Badlands are gripping. Wait, save me. Running 6S, this one here running 4S. 3, 2, 1, go! Not much in it on the... Oh, he wins! What happened?
In your car, it went so fast, it like spat loads of dirt in my face. Is there any in my face? Oh yeah, there's some here, isn't there?
We got the cameraman in the house with a new GoPro. Doesn't want to stay on the VS, so it's got to go on a stick.
Look, my arm.
Look at the camera. What happened?
When you spotted it.
Victory! What do you reckon?
Wing? Wing or what?
Yeah, wing.
Wing! No, that's them cheap Hyper wings.
Picking up our litter.
Absolutely.
Oh, hello. Whee.
Oh, God. Oh.
God. Oh, easy.
Oh, no, we're doing that.
And it took it like a champ. Oh! That was nearly a headshot. Oh, killed it. Shot's down. Oh, hold on. I just unpopped.
Like, subscribe and smash that bell button.
Hey! Look at that front wheel. Look at that, guys. Another smashed hub carrier. You'll find an upgrade for that. Oh my god! Woohoo! Oh no! Popped off. Oh, you What happened?
Malfunction.
Malfunction!
Me this time is broke their car. Poor thing.
You'll carry it.
Yeah, oh, and this is out again. That's out again. Alright, that's game over for me, boys. Guys, hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys.
The door, man. You got a fucking door in your neck. You're crazy. You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I like you. You're crazy.
So I was going to make a repair video of this thing, but it's really not that bad, so I might as well just do it now. At the first glance, all it done here is this ball joint come out, so all I've got to do is screw that back in, and then the wings toast, and on this side, the hubs toast on this side here. So the wing that I'm going to be using is a Proline one. I think they take the beating quite well, so hopefully this one's going to last a little bit longer. Yes. Luckily, I can use this busted part here of the old wing, line that up in here to get the perfect centre. And then I'm going to use my body reamer, and hopefully that will make light work of this. Check it out. Perfect. success on this 2200 kV hobby wing motor. Alright guys, hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys.